Yo, this is for educational purposes only. I do not take ownership of any music or apps besides that of my own. All rights reserved. With that being said, subscribe! Yo, what's up? It is White Blackson from White Blackson TV, and I finally wait. Let me just take this off. Yes, I just got my mic, as you can see right here, and we're going back full force. But first things first, what I want to let you know is that I've got a surprise for you. I've got a really really great surprise for you guys, and also more videos are coming like even late, and I'm gonna be remaking one of my old videos so that all of those um, naysayers can actually listen to some best quality. But with that being said, I just want us to go through Lil Peep awful things like real quick so that we can actually hear how great it sounds with all the effects already compiled. So we're gonna play right now. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do that on me. Love it when you move that on me. I said it wrong. I said it the other way wrong, but it's going wrong. So as you guys heard, like I said it wrong. The last part, it's supposed to be, you know I love it when you do that on me. Love it when you move that on me. But I said it the other way wrong. But as you heard, that's how it sounds. I don't know if the volume was like too good for you guys. Let me just up it up a notch. But then, right now, I'm going to mute these. I'm going to mute this. And I'm going to mute this. And then, I'm going to turn off all the effects of this one. Track 3 is going to be my main track. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do that on me. Love it when you move that on me. Okay, guys. So, as you've heard, um, that's how it sounds without any effects. So I'm gonna just show you the first effect that we're gonna add, which is the reverb. Reverb must be added. It's a must on the main vocal. And I'll show you what we do to actually get the other vocals without actually redoing them manually again. So you're gonna press play. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. Okay, that was with the reverb. Now I'm gonna show you the actual reverb settings, which are as goes. And I'm going to remove my camera on this side so you can actually see. Take a screenshot, guys. This is what it is, and I told you there's a surprise coming, so stay tuned, stay tuned towards the end of the video. The surprise is going to be really worth it. Screenshot taken. Tone booster. Let's head over to the tone booster. This is how it is. Please take a screenshot of this because it's a surprise. Just take a screenshot of this. And then the vocal tune, you'll notice that this guy, Lil Peep, doesn't use too much vocal tune. In fact, it's all about pitch correction. So this is how it is. Take a screenshot. Stay tuned for the surprise. And then I'm gonna let you listen to this real quick in a jiffy. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me. Okay. So now you're gonna do the best. Finally, turn on this. How we got these other tracks? We actually duplicated this one with this one and this one. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna so basically that's how you do it. Excuse me. I have to go close the door because somebody came in and did not decide to close the door. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna need you to duplicate this track, and the panning is gonna be like for the first one or the second one. It's gonna be right. Then for the first one, it's gonna be hard left. That's how you're gonna do the panning, and so that it sounds in that mystical way. So I'm gonna unmute these so you can have a listen. And I'm very sorry because stuff is going on in this house, so I really can't do anything much about it. Sorry, but I had to just do the video. It was a must, long overdue. And the surprise is still coming. So let me just stop talking and have you listen to this. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do. That helps me get through this without you. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do that on me. Love it when you move that on me. I said it wrong, I said it the other way wrong, but it's going on. Woo. Yay, you guys made it towards the end of the video. Well, the surprise is that, remember that Patreon thing I told you about? Yeah, from $4 it's going to $1. And I'm keeping open the Reddit group community of mine actually. Also, we're changing from White Blacks on TV to Penguin Pierre. Penguin Piercy, I mean. I think Penguin Pierre would sound good. Yeah. Penguin Pierre, changing this channel name from White Blacks on TV to Penguin Pierre. Still me, White Blackson. It's still dope content. Just like the name is changing. And I know I said content. It's supposed to be content, but it is what it is. So thank you for watching. And the surprise is that the Reddit community is open for all my subscribers. Also, you're going to find some presets over there. Help, everything you need. Payment free. It's completely free. Just head over to that Reddit community. Follow or subscribe, whatever they do on Reddit. And fun over there. Just ask me anything you want. I'll be there. Like, I'll try to be there 24/7. So yeah, thank you. And let's just try and give this a try. Hey, check mic 1 2. Check mic 1 2. 1 2. Check mic 1 2. Okay, what are we gonna try? I cannot see anything. See if we can. 3 2. Yeah. Bother me, tell me awful things. You know I love it when you do anyways, no jokes, guys. Super thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. More videos are coming, and woo, share this video, guys. Like, let's just get to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000 and have it over and done with. Have a new goal to reach and greater things to achieve. Who am I doing next? I don't know. But I'll see. Head over to my Reddit community. Comment down below on who you want me to do next. Just make sure the person makes actual good music. Like, ooh, I know who I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna do some Young Thug. Then after Young Thug, it's gonna be some Lil Pump. And then yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm signing out right now. Let me have some water. Let's do that. It is what it is. Penguin PS. Penguin PS or Perry? I don't know.
Verses and I set my goals, cause I don't do bets and I don't do raffles. 8 a.m. and I'm craving waffles. Give me breakfast, don't give me assholes. I don't care much about roll up. So if it's black and white, color it with pastels. I guess